Ito po ang DTF machine namin dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Ako po si Felix Morauda, DTF operator ng Honjet. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 74 meters kaming na-run dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Ito naman po ang capping. 80% working naman po ito. Last na palitan yung heads nito is October 2023 last year pa po. Head clean tayo, strong. Punas ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink-system namin ay tama lang. Missing tank malinis every Friday. Ground wire. Ito naman po yung use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po yung daily workload. Inventory. Weekly consumption. Ito yung nagamit sa cleaning solution. Yellow. White. 30 cm film, cyan, black, magenta, powder. Ito naman po yung daily monthly checklist. Maraming salamat po.